Okay, so your first combination is double jab cross. Now, we're going to go off of that double jab that we talked about and why it's important to learn to throw those punches, in particular when you're backing up or you're doing your hard challenge, soft challenge. I get to this position a lot of times, that double jab, like we demonstrated with Colleen before, she steps back, that jab is there. Right as soon as she steps back, she does it again. Boom, boom. It's always there. So now we want to finish with the cross after. The important thing to remember is that both jabs need to be the same. So it's very common when someone throws a double jab cross, the second jab isn't as strong. So give me like a weak second jab and then throw the cross, okay? Notice that she's not fully extending, so do it again. That second punch just doesn't sound the same, doesn't really look the same. It's not as effective. So make sure when you do this combo, first jab, come all the way back to your face, then throw the second jab. So do a slow double jab cross. Notice that Colleen is coming all the way back, and then we're going to make sure that we're following up really quick with that cross at the end. So now give me like a regular. Good. Again. Good. Again. Good. Double jab cross.